Hello everybody, welcome to another adventure. Today we're going to be kayak fishing at Huntsville State Park. Yeah, so I had to come up here to the truck, get a new pair of sunglasses, maybe have a peanut butter sandwich for lunch because dummy me, I have my Cinco out there talking on my cell phone and I notice my line swimming out to deeper water. So set the hook and of course it's this little bitty dinky 10-inch fish. Well, while setting the hook and all, I got my sunglasses up on my hat. Sunglasses fall in the water and there goes those nice sunglasses, but got my truck pair. We're gonna head back out, see if we can catch a few more. So sometimes when I'm at a place like Huntsville where there's all this grass along the banks, I'll take my exact same setup that I throw my Cinco on, a little spinning rod, weightless with a 3/0 hook. I throw these little Zoom fluke. This works great. You just throw it on there, throw it out into that grass, twitch it back, and the fish just, they can't stand it. Quite a bit. So I threw the Texas rig, got me a 3/16 ounce piece of weight, 4/0 hook, and put this little Berkeley Havoc bait on here. It's sort of like a baby brush hog. Put it on there with that 3/16 ounce weight because the wind was blowing my Cinco around, and flipped into some brush and hooked right onto a good one.